As a matter of fact, teachers will be teachers supposed to fit
answer
teach waiting them know. How do you teach what you don't know? Now I don't understand. I do my youth service for Enugu. Some of my colleagues that we go teach for the I do for the main town. My colleagues that we go in the hinterland we go teach. Say the teachers when they meet there, they take Igbo, explain English where they write for board.
Okay.
They go write for board. John is a boy. Then the teachers they will come say, class, what is this? They don't know. Then they will come say, John okay. John is a John okay. They take people explaining English to the right for teaching. It happens according to some hinterland areas. Now for this Kaduna own, no be hinterland. Now the main city. In Enugu, people they teach for Enugu, right now doing service. They teach English with English. They take English, explain English. Can you imagine? Now, because yes, French, when they learn French, you don't want teacher go one Calabar woman way teach us French. Once she come, after they class 2, once she come, go la date aujourd'hui. Tu dois not forget her because she the whole king. So they will begin call her go la date they come home. Go la date aujourd'hui. What is today's date? Go la date aujourd'hui. I'm going to ask you. You say aujourd'hui, that is today.
C'est dimanche.
Aujourd'hui, c'est
vendredi.
Vendredi. Today na vendredi, na Friday. Vendredi. You can call the date.
Vendredi en
20 something, 20 na 20.
20 secondes.
Today 24. What is 4 in French? 24. Aujourd'hui, vendredi 24, 2017.
You know,
she go
too long.
We don't know how to add that 2017 1990 something. That's how you say flooded. So before French period, because timetable the period by period,
they come up.
Before French period go reach, we don't go rehearse. Today, sometimes we call it 1990 something wrongly. So now the woman was using English to explain French. Which is understandable.
Now, this is not our language.
In the north, in the east, in the west, in some hinterland area, the teachers that will teach there, they use the local language. They explain English. The English where they for board. Kaki calm down, Kaki calm down.
For Kano WhatsApp.
Now,
as I enter the school, classes where they give me only me to the teach, it reach 5. That is SS1A, SS1C, JS2D.
Only one.
I won't die. I won't die because no English teacher. We normal.
Messiah.
I they teach English and they teach literature.
Messiah.
I won't die. So I never even do reach 3 months there. They don't give me an award for best teacher.
That one I to make you do another
just to
one.
make me stay.
Just to keep you.
I never do 3 months. They don't do award because what I can't discover, they say the English they had them. I mean, for the first time I break Sharia law because the boys they Ahmadiyya College, boys they one side, the girls they one side. Now I tell the principal now all these Indian, no be Lebanese, Palestinian. Now I tell her say these children cannot grow if there's no competition among them. Because they know anything what I want to do. Now I organize debate. I give the boy side, I give them topic. I give the girl side topic. So on the Fridays, we come bring the boys, come the girls class, all of them come day together.
Competition go high.
No, but if you see when this one talking, yes, they understand the boys they don't want fall their hand, so they go put head together, they go study English. Come via the girl to go come out study English. So I the man say, my friend say, boy, you don't break Sharia law for here. I tell the man say, even not for this Sharia, say leave Sharia, take the children. That's what the man tell me. Say leave the Sharia, take the children. They have improved. Look now, they are speaking English. So I say no believe saying children go be speaking English like this. And so they carry on. They carry every Friday there is a debate from 12:15 class end goes to debate till 2. So me I can't use my money. I dey buy books, Now the
Forgive.
Now the principal say no. Say you get books for library. Say make I go select books they want for library. So we call the do am. Then they get three representatives. Three representatives. So we go collect one art, one science, and one commercial textbook. Like 6 3 from both sides. Yeah. So as they come here to represent, this one win. We don't wrap them. You give this one gift. By next one, other set don dey ginger. Say no. I mean go do it. You understand? So that is, the thing improves them very well.
Now, like we were saying, easy ranking and foolish man. He say no only I was even for Okreka. So they take Okreka language.
Can I go face you?
Explain English. Easy rankings. Now you talk about.
They can I go face you?
Now even for Goni. No, the hinterland areas, we understand the English that we are mother tongue. For even Kalabari land, then they use even Eche, Omok, they speak some. When they don't explain they use the language.
They try to put
But
away.
now the problem here is hinterland. Yes, it's understandable, though it is wrong, not commendable. But for Kaduna,
For
capital city, you know they happen like that. It they had before happen like that. That teacher where they teach primary 6. We won't go right junior. What do they call that thing?
The junior one.
No. Primary 6. Common entrance.
Common entrance. Okay, common
We
entrance.
won't go right common entrance to enter secondary school. The teacher they teach primary 6 no fit pass primary 4 exam. Can you imagine that?
It's a shame.
Primary 4 exam,
No
you
fit
know,
pass am.
but they teach primary 6.
What do you want to teach them now?
So what did they teach them in the capital city? Now the governor concerned come discover say maybe I don't remember where they go. Maybe somebody for secretariat, for Kaduna secretariat, they don't write letter. Now maybe we are not there, we are not sure. Where you know fit write letter, where make sense. And in the staff of the government. The governor don't go ask, how did you get to this position? Of course, position in Nigeria now, my brother. My brother.
Who is your brother?
Who is your brother? That question, who is your brother? Politicians only amplified it. The question, who is your brother, have been there
For a long time.
immemorial.
Yes. From Cain and Abel.
Now, who's your brother? They don't promote the woman or the man until he don't reach a primary 6 teacher, don't secondary school teacher. Meanwhile, that person no fit pass primary 4 exam. Two things are possible. There was when we dey learn elementary, then we dey learn arithmetic, not mathematics. Now, my children then go Montessori, which is different from all those arithmetic, elementary, and all those things. Even me, you don't one day, me will go university. My daughter carry homework up. I look the homework. Oh, nobody can mathematics where we know.
He don't wear jacket.
My
He don't
brother,
wear suit.
I would have failed it. If I can't carry brain. Begin they come, they look the other examples that they don't first do. Come from that example, come use IQ. Come say, okay, because I say answer and direct. The teacher for just write one big 0. For the 0/10, draw head, eye, draw nose, draw mouth, put inside the 0. Which would have infuriated me seriously. So now it's possible that the primary 4 exam when they set for the teachers, that the Montessori type. Montessori type get a lot of reasoning. They teach more of reasoning,
quantitative reasoning and qualitative reasoning.
Qualitative and quantitative. Those reasoning and they apply basically for this primary school children, which we learned at university stage. We started thinking normally. We started thinking
at
on our own
stage.
at the university level or secondary school level, not primary level. Do you know that this education of these days don't pass?
The way they did that year.
After they carry count
1 to 3.
1 to 3 now.
Actually, you
2 plus
count
2.
You will count.
You can't this cock. This Coca-Cola mineral or beer cock. I want to give them
Now
advice.
they use the plastic one now count.
It's called counter. On you never tell I remember I know say
Na cock.
na cock they call
Counter
counter.
still they call
I
am.
call am to say open the beer and come on the counter now.
Wait, where can't I come from?
Now counting now. Count.
To count something.
So
So now
we na station we dey use.
now
You know wetin be station? Station na that seed wey dey inside Agbalumo Odara.
we also use
That we dey use. But
Now,
that
now,
cover
something I see for
all the rust.
watch it for Facebook how Chinese people dey take do mathematics. Have you seen it? If you say 2, 3, 4,
Okay, that one.
they will just draw 1,
Line.
2 line, come give space, draw 1, 2, 3, 4,
For this
give
side.
space, then come draw the times, the number, then come put dot, 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 dot. When they count the dot, the first dot, they write the number. Count the second dot, times them, it correct.
Correct.
Or by fear when I try them, I say for Facebook, I try them.
It works.
That's what Chinese people they do mathematics of where they come out millions that way. When the answer are millions. Very easy. So
I see that thing too.
I will not blame those teachers too much because civil servants have a mentality of reducing age in order to continue to stay for work. Some, their children is senior them at the end of the day. So maybe these teachers when they go give this primary 4 exam. Now teachers of this sort of people. 2, did they give them the arithmetic that they know? Bottom line is whether they give them the arithmetic or whether they give them all those old things. So what are they teaching now? Then the bottom line. So they cannot apply the ancient and modern technology to it. So now what did they teach now? They give them to do. And they failed. Now, having failed, Nigerian Union of Workers,
Of teachers.
teachers,
NUT.
NUT, okay,
NUT.
Nigerian Union of Teachers. NUT. And some people now wey dey this page now they don dey accuse us whether na only teacher dey make we leave teacher matter no be only teacher be work for
no, this was what we wanted to say last time. After teacher were coming, don't worry.
No, my problem is say na teachers now they know their problem so they no wan make we
Maybe na
discuss
teachers
am
know
na him now
what to
those ones dem wey no fit spell
Call your name.
wey no fit spell
Who
cow
talk that thing?
the way to be that
Now,
guy themselves they wan
this is the problem.
so no mention teacher.
If you no fit pass exam wey you set for children, how you take dey score them?
How you take the mark?
How you take mark them? How you take mark the other
see
better over
his
them?
name Akunaya Akure Herbert Akunaya Akure Herbert
Treasure Akunanya, this is
na him
Yoruba.
name be that no na Akunaya
They call am Yoruba way.
Akunaya Akuna
Okay.
Herbert na him be him name say make we
Na
leave teacher
teacher.
na teacher na you go know am na teacher and na those teacher dem wey dey work for civil service this thing wey dey go school I think they na wetin be today Akunaya
Akunanya.
Uh-huh.
That is it. My papa well. You know, go find his own well.
man na my papa wey think dey call himself if you check am na say if you no dey school now sef if you no dey school
You no
now
dey school,
you no
maybe.
dey school how teacher wey dey school now dey
Go
teach
get
children
time,
go
go
get
come
time
dey-
dey retire you no dey school
They listen to us.
na teacher.
They type up and now those child go say take homework, do it. Or copy notes.
No, that time when we dey school, they go say teacher dey give you the one wey you no fit do as assignment make you take
Make-
for
make-
house.
make your house
When
go.
they help you for house come.
So that you go come learn from
Based
there.
and learn.
So now teacher wey no fit teach, wey no fit pass wetin how you go take mark those children?
most so even be
now-
that even for higher institution some of them no dey know dem dey carry am go give other students wey go come mark rubbish like say now maybe if you dey year 3 or year 4 dem go give work to year 1 or year 2 come carry the script go give to year 4 make you mark am year 4 wey no even know reach year 1 come mark rubbish dem come tell you say you fail that's why some children dey call for their papers I know wetin I write go bring my paper come.
Once you shout like that, they pass you. Because they don't say truth, you know what you right. So now, we condemn in totality the actions of people who suppose know the truth.
I build our future leader.
Why is the truth so hard?
Even Bible.
You don't,
It always cause wahala.
you don't want magazine where I read why the truth is so elusive. Now, Nigerian Union of no, the General Union.
Okay.
What do they call it?
NLC.
NLC
Labour
say
Congress.
they want to sack 20,000 teachers.
They don't vex.
The governor say he not they sack them, he won't replace them with people who go fit teach properly.
No
Which
be
is
sack,
correct.
that.
No be sack, they are just to change
Come.
the people.
No vessel.
Where
They
they
say
go
no.
put them? Where they go put the 20
Make
people?
them go school.
Who go pay?
And they what you concern
They
anybody.
go dey pay their salary that time.
Who go pay the salary? They no go sell kuli and outside granite, tiger
And
nut.
Dangwa.
They don't go sell suya and all those things. Parents said in the north they get farm now. Then the farm, then the farm here. So they get work.
They get ginger farm,
They
well,
get
especially
things to
ginger.
do. So make them go back to their farm, to their work, get money, go back to school, and pass the exam and apply again. It's a disgrace that people go come out, come protest. Say person will not pass exam, why you sack? That is where.
But the problem now, how those people, they're not gonna blame the people when allow those people go enter there, because when I see that thing, I say how these people take pass the system, go reach that place.
It's everywhere. Go to LNG, go to Shell. The Igbo people, the Yoruba people there.
My brother. Now that problem we need to solve.
Everywhere.
Now that problem we need to solve.
The whole Hausa land, it did there. Igbo land, it did there. People they do brother pass for this country.
For this side, they call.
No, we need to
for here.
Now we they winch our own brother. In this part of the world,
we winch
our brother. This is our problem. Now we go say, blessing we cannot. You are not qualified for this position.
You cannot.
We. Another going man. Now go winch and back.
Now they retire.
Now they retire.
At any age.
I'm blessing is calling.
Blessing at 35.
Blessing. I'm blessed we cannot say the teacher, the commissioner of education don't die for that state.
I don't know.
Say news say these people in sack don't go prayer. Go pray down the commissioner for
what I want to ask you.
They say that.
Okay. If you say retiring a teacher, she didn't want also.
She said
she says she catch us.
What do we do?
How they talk now? Say she not be teacher.
She alabota.
Like gone.
Yes, alabota.
Why she can't they say she catch us now?
Where she talking?
He did for her this thing there. She say if I catch you people, madam, no vessel, no be your level of teaching, no. You are a professor.
Nah. You know, these teachers.
Michael, we don't talk this matter.
Okay, are we going to another matter?
Yes, we have two matters.
Which of the two matters?
First matter.
Let's end it.
Okay.
We condemn
and we frown at.
We frown at.
We resist.
We resist.
And we remove body.
And we will not take it.
We remove body.
We will not have it. That teachers that cannot teach primary 4 cannot pass primary 4 exam. We should be teaching primary 4. What are you marking?
Can you imagine?
That is why the generation they don't teach, they don't pass that level.
No, don't go like waste.
They don't, they are waste.
Yeah,
they are wasted.